International School. I'll take you around the school to show you the classrooms and admin areas.
Simply the merge cube, otherwise the children passionately call this as magic cube because they see something really magic happening around this cube. Just looks like a cube but works on augmented reality. So when I place behind this, can you see what's happening? Yeah. So I get to see the anatomy of the respiratory system, especially the lungs in all angles, which otherwise is very difficult to just look at a picture, a 2D picture, a two-dimensional picture. Now this is almost like a 3D picture. We also try to zoom in, click onto the parts of it to get the function of it. What is the function of the lung? What is the function of the trachea? What are bronchus? What are bronchioles? What are alveoli? What are the functions of it? So it's easy for us. Geography and anatomy, especially biology, gets very easy with merge cube. Children call it magic cube.
So basically this is how we make the science learning very interesting and visual. So the visual connect always helps the children to learn faster. So they get to use this in class.
And this is a two-step forward. And so, for example, if you want to stop there and if you want to give a dance, in real life we can use this. Actually, we all know about Tesla car, right? As how it moves without any driver. The same way we can use it.
So this was.
He was supposed to be young. Yeah.
So these moves up the grade. The grade 2, 3 level students get to do this.
Okay, to add on, you saw the tailboard which was there in the first one. I said that's introducing for children to learn the coding. It's the same tailboard. But now we scale it up and we give it to them as a project. Like for example, say they have done a project-based learning based on the city, explanation of a city, or say explanation of a zoo or any of these. So we make a project like this. The tailboard goes and stands in front of a hospital and then they say, okay, this is a kind of a hospital and these are the functions of it. This is what happens inside a hospital. So basically integrating robotics into project-based learning. And
and there is also integration of all subjects here. We integrate math here, we integrate ICT here, we integrate social sciences. So it's a transdisciplinary learning which they do. In a single project, they get to learn aspects of science, social studies, mathematics, ICT, etc. And of course, communications where they are presenting it.
And here comes the next project, and it is used for cleaning. And you know very well, right? As of now, many humans are just losing their life by cleaning the garbages and by taking the garbages. So what we have done is we have done an automatic robot which cleans, which takes the garbages by itself. And this is being done by a coding called as block-based coding. We just did we made this robot in a form where it can move by itself. And I have done the program.
This was done as a part of a summer camp for children. We had conducted a tech camp during the summer and children had personally coded this to do this project. So is this the Vinci board?
Yes.
Yes. This is the Vinci board.
So moving forward, we have art, math and music integration with robotics here. If you look at the mathematical part of it, when your teacher will say draw 180 degrees, right, and mark the angle. So you'll be really wondering initially when you have to learn about all these, what are angles, is it right, is it wrong? So here children learn it even using robotics. It says 180 degrees, 120 degrees, and then we just we just place a pen here, and then as and when the robot moves, it makes a pattern. We'll do it again. Yeah, just being connected with the Bluetooth device where it can move by itself. So making a channel. Yeah. And this is the music integration. We know this is 7 is for us, the so we have that here as numbers 1 to 7. So you can
fun and games. There is also quiz programs in it. So there are a lot of preloaded games, but we also upload what happens in classrooms. So they kind of revise what has happened in classroom through games over here. For example, maybe we can come back to this after seeing the video. This is the smart board classroom. So, so you can say one smart module, how you're using it.
I'm Srividya. We use this smart board quite a lot here. More or less it works like a buddy for us because only the teacher-led won't help the children to grab the attention of their learning journey. So we use pictures, videos, everything for them to get into the journey of learning. So when I use pictures over here, they are able to connect what they know already, and they come up with the questions to get their questions be clarified here. So this smart board, it helps us a lot for the children to stay connected with what they know and what they are going to learn something new. So this is how. So we plan our class in such a way that next to next, what am I going to go? For example, this time we are learning about staying healthy. So we started with eating healthy. Children, they are very new to the term healthy itself. So we start with the term healthy and we just promote questions like this by showing the pictures to them instead of telling them vegetables name or fruits name or whatever it might be. Children will see the picture and connect to them, and they will start talking about their likes, dislikes, and whatever it is, whatever they feel like. So this is how they get connected. Yes? Benny, would you like to name the fruits here? Yes? Please start. Be little loud so that everybody can
See them in them.
Yes. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. What are these? Fruits. So do we eat these fruits every day? Yes. So why do we have to eat fruits? We will be healthy. How does it help us? To be strong. Lovely. Can you please sit down? We will take the turns. Yes, Arush? Arush, can you name?
I am Arut. Little brain.
Mm-hmm. This is jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Uh-huh.
Pomegranate.
Mm-hmm.
And orange.
Oranges. So do you like all these fruits?
Yes.
Yes. Have you seen these fruits?
Yes.
Okay. So how does it taste?
Yes.
Everything is very sweet or sour or it's bitter? How it is?
That is only cover for me.
That is only sour for you.
No.
This is not sour. Really? Okay. We will experiment it one day. Okay? Yes. Lovely. Yes. Okay. What is this? Vihan, would you like to say what is this?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. And what is that?
This is custard apple.
Uh-huh.
And this is papaya.
This is papaya. This is a pineapple. Seriously? Huh?
No, papaya.
No, this is papaya. Right? It has lots of seeds inside. Right? Yes? Very nice. One second. Shall we move on? So what is this?
Here.
Pear.
Yeah.
Yeah? You like it? Lovely. So we learned all of these fruits and vegetables.
I want to write them to them.
Yes. So like this we use the picture format for them, and we have rhymes and stories also to be incorporated while teaching this. And in this, one more beautiful function which we really like it here is the writing kindergarten, because This dust allergy everywhere, we see a lot there. But here it is very interesting tool which we use, and children, they want to learn to write. Earlier what we have to grab them, please come and learn to write. Here we never call them, they come all by themselves and they want to try how to do it. So it happens, the smooth transition also happens with this technology also. One at one time. What do you want to write? Would you like to write your name?
Yeah.
Yes, Arush, you start, then we have you. Yes, Arush, write your name. Would you like to write and show? Yes. Yes, lovely. Very good. And the rubbing thing is also very simple and very friendly here. So the children, they are very much interested in learning to write. So this technology helps us to, a lot for them, because since they are very small, we find it very difficult.
Actually, I know maybe it comes with a pen or a stylizer, but we never have to use it. We don't run around because we tend to lose those pens or stylizers. So even with the hand, it's a great aid.
Yes. It's okay. Yes. So this is how it helps our learning journey to be very smooth and nice. Thank you so much.
So they just, yeah.
So how do you use the board in a classroom?
Drawing.
Now, how do you use it? What all do you use for?
Learn and
So,
education.
okay. And are you enjoying learning this way?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, is it?
Fun.
Okay, it's fun learning this way. Why? Why is it fun learning this way?
Because they're exploring how fun it is.
You're able to see visually, right? Yeah? It's really helping you to learn things very quick. Alright? Yes? Anything else? And what else do you use? What else do you use here when you're free? When you're given a chance?
We draw and make.
Do you want to come and show them? Yes? You want to do the Google Earth or? Yes. One at a time, yeah? One person.
One at a time, it is me.
Let's take turns. Let's take turns. It's okay. Would you like to write today's date? What is today's date? Dates? Okay, that's the date. That's, yeah. So did we use an eraser for the board?
Yes.
Did we use an eraser from your pencil case? So what did we use? So the smart board is so friendly that it has all the eraser and the pen inside, embedded in that, isn't it?
Wait.
Now, one person, who wants to show me? One person. Yeah, just wait.
Ma'am.
So you can show one. Now, how are you feeling today?
ஒரு ஐபி ஸ்கூல் இன் சென்னையில் சிஇஓவாக இருக்கேன். என்னோட இங்கே ஸ்மார்ட்லேருந்து 2 பேர், த பிரசிடெண்ட் அண்ட் த வைஸ் பிரசிடெண்ட் என்னோட இருக்காங்க. என்னோட ஸ்கூல் பிரின்சிபல் மிஸ் கிரண் மர்ச்சன்ட் அவங்களும் என்னோட இருக்காங்க. தே வில் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் தெம்செல்வ்ஸ்.
That's okay.
ஓகே, வி ஹேவ், யா, நாங்கள் வந்து ஸ்கூலில் ஸ்மார்ட் கிளாஸ் ரூம்ஸ், எங்களோட கிளாஸ் ரூம்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஸ்மார்ட் கிளாஸ் ரூம்ஸ். வி ஹவ் இந்த கிளாஸ் ரூமில் வந்து நாங்கள் இந்த கம்ப்யூட்டரால் நாங்கள் எங்கள் டீச்சிங்கும் லேர்னிங்கும் நிறையா இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். we find that smart classrooms la in the கேஜெட் வந்து எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. இதுலேருந்து நாங்கள் நிறைய ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இருக்குது. நாங்கள் அந்த ஃபீச்சர்ஸை கிளாஸ் ரூம்ஸில் யூஸ் பண்ணி கிளாஸ் ரூமை ஆக்டிவ் லேர்னிங்காக ஆக்குறோம். த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ ரிலேட் டு த ஸ்மார்ட் டிவி ஈஸிலி. தட் இஸ் தே என்ஜாய் லேர்னிங். அவங்களுக்கு லேர்னிங்கை இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக ஆக்க ஸ்மார்ட் போர்ட்ஸ் ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. அண்ட் நிறைய students who have learning difficulties also, the smart TV offers a lot of features where they are able to use the smart board, they are able to understand concepts better. ஸோ அவங்க வந்து கஷ்டமான கான்செப்ட்லாம் சிம்பிளாக சொல்லி கொடுக்க இந்த ஸ்மார்ட் போர்ட் ரொம்ப உதவியாக இருக்குது.
இந்த கல்வி பொறுப்பு ஏன் என்ன வந்து
சார் ஓகே, நாங்கள் ஆஸ் எ ஸ்கூல் வந்து டெக்னாலஜி எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். நாங்கள் ஸ்கூல் ஆரம்பித்த போதே வந்து டெக்னாலஜியும் எஜுகேஷனும் சேர்ந்து போகணுங்கிறது தான் எங்களோட கோல். ஸோ அதில் வந்து நாங்கள் டெக்னாலஜி எல்லா ஆஸ்பெக்ட்லேயும் டெக்னாலஜி இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணணும் தான் ட்ரை பண்ணோம். ஸோ நாங்கள் நிறைய பாட்ஸ், ரோபோட்ஸ் எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் கிளாஸில். ஈவன் அட் த கிண்டர் கார்டன் லெவல் addition, subtractions, colors, directions. ஸோ அந்த லெவல்லையே நாங்கள் கோடிங் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த டெக்னாலஜி எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. பட் வென் ஐ சே டெக்னாலஜி, அது வந்து நாங்கள் ஒரு அடிக்ஷனாக பார்க்கல, ஸ்க்ரீன் டைமாக பார்க்கல. பட் அந்த டெக்னாலஜியை நம்ம எப்படி கரெக்டாக கிளாஸ் ரூம்ஸில் கொண்டு வர முடியும்னு தான் பார்க்குறோம். ஸோ அதுக்கு எங்களுக்கு இந்த போர்ட்ஸ், ரோபோட்ஸ், ஸ்மார்ட் போர்ட்ஸ் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது ஃபார் த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். நல்லா கற்றுக்கிறதுக்கு we are introducing it to the children and they learn it right. அதனால இது I think it is a very important way how we are integrating technology into our curriculum. Yeah.
To have these showcase schools all throughout the company. Besides that, we also have a community of ambassadors that is growing. It's thousands of teachers around the world. We're happy to include you in that broader community, because for us it is really important that teachers and educators around the world can share their experiences and can share how technology can make an impact on students' lives.